What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another beautiful day out here in Arizona. Today's gonna be all about the drone. As you can see, we have it set up already. Got my remote over here, got my bike. We are out in the middle of nowhere in the desert right now. Beautiful skies, beautiful temperature. Everything is just beautiful today. So purpose of this video, as you can tell, I got my helmet on. I got my little helmet mount for the camera here. We're going to be testing out the features of my DJI Phantom 4. Today we're specifically going to be trying to work with the ActiveTrack feature. In general, the ActiveTrack feature, guys, pretty much you'll see it here in a second. You're going to be able to track somebody or something on your screen. It's going to use the actual person or the object to track with. So in this case, it's going to be me, which is why I'm wearing this super bright fluorescent shirt, so hopefully you can see me even better. And essentially, I brought my bike out here just so I can speed up to get hopefully about the 20-25 miles an hour, heading downhill, and pretty much just see if this drone can keep up and track me good. So we're going to be heading off that way, which is kind of like a northwest direction. We're going to have the sun behind us to once again make the contrast as best as possible, just kind of giving this guy the best chance as it can. But as you know, since we're going to go that way, we're going to have to turn around and come back. I'm going to be leaving the remote here, facing it in the direction of travel, just so I don't have to carry that thing on my bike and have to worry about dropping it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. All right, guys, so let me not waste any more of your time. Let's go ahead and get going, get the iPad set up, get the drone set up, get all my features and parameters the way I want them, and we'll get going. Okay, so first thing I just want to make sure is that I have my return to home set, which we do. There it is. I'm going to leave it at 20 meters. That'll be plenty because we're on a hill right now. Just double check, make sure the return to home point.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There you go. That's good to go. I think that's about it. I've already did a compass calibration. That's one thing you want to do anytime you take off in a new spot or a spot you haven't been in a while. But I think we're pretty much good to go there. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get the camera mounted on my head, get the drone up in the air, and show you how we set up ActiveTrack. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, so we got us in the air. Alright, checking the gimbal, making sure the gimbal's good. The gimbal looks good. Alright, so let's get us in the frame. So in order to get to ActiveTrack, on the left hand side of the screen, you're going to click the little remote symbol. That's going to take you to all your little smart features. And as you can see right there, there's ActiveTrack. So it's going to tell us to drag a box around who we want to track, which is me. So there I am. It's saying I'm out of range, so let me bring myself a little closer. There we go. So that's that. I'm going to change it to profile, which just means it's going to fly on along the side of me. Pretty much telling me obstacle avoidance won't work, which is fine. And I think we're good to go. So let me go ahead and start recording. Let me set the remote down. Yep, it's already tracking me. And we should be good to go. So let's see how it works. Good. We'll try to get a little faster. Right above me. Still tracking. See if I can get faster. Tracking me. Alright, I'm actually going to go ahead and turn around. We're back where the construction is. So let's see if it takes me back. Won't be able to go as fast, but let's see what it does. Ooh, and I'm already getting tired. This way is uphill. Still got me locked on. There it is. Hopefully y'all can see it. Now to go back up the hill where we came from. Oh, couldn't make it up the hill. Still following me. I think that's a success. Still following me. It's watching my epic fail as I tried to ride up this hill. Couldn't quite make it up the hill. But ActiveTrack works. All right, now that we made it back to base camp, I'm gonna go ahead and take control, land it, and we'll be good to go. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I think today was a success, to say the least. I didn't expect it to actually keep up with me, especially when I was actually riding downhill, which I was hopefully getting to about 25 miles an hour, I think. But as always, DJI continues to surprise me with their capabilities and the features of this Phantom 4. And this is not even the newest one that they have out right now. So that is just crazy. So we now have everything packed up and almost ready to go. We got a several mile ride back home, which I didn't think about, but it's definitely worth the ride, definitely worth this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get going because, like I said, I gotta drive pretty far and I'm already hungry, so that means I'm gonna be extremely hungry when I get back home. If this is your first time at the channel, as always, be sure you hit that subscribe button. We have plenty more videos to come for this guy. We're actually gonna be doing up another ActiveTrack. Next time, I think I'm gonna try it with my dogs, so you don't wanna miss that. Let's see how they do. And as always, guys, thank you for watching Everything Avon. I'm Avon. I'll see you on the next one.